Okay, so here's my first cooking video for you all to show you a lazy Sunday snack that we made out of leftovers for mm, the food that we cooked during the week. So we're starting out here with some Orida crinkle fries. This is for a family of five. Again, we didn't want to buy anything. We had spent the day before swimming and we're just tired. Wanted to go ahead and throw something together for the family to eat. And so you're going to add some crinkly fries into your air fryer. And it's okay for the fries to touch, they just can't be totally overlapping. And then we're going to put these fries into the air fryer at 400 degrees. And you can start with 12 minutes, and then you're going to want to add a little bit more time to cook the fries to your preference. So I think I added about 3 to 4 more minutes here for a total of 15 to 16 minutes. Then you want to add bacon to your frying pan. You can use turkey or beef. We used pork here. And you can see in the background that I had already started cooking some fries for a hungry little one that couldn't wait for me to start this video. And then you're going to continue adding this bacon in. You don't need to line up the bacon. You can sort of throw it in there, but just make sure that you stir it up really, really well. We use the boar's head bacon. This was on sale. We love this bacon. It's really good quality. We do prefer uncured bacon. This one is cured, but it was on sale and it was good quality. So we went ahead and got it. About 5 minutes through, you're going to check your air fryer and you're going to shake up these fries really, really well so that they get crunchy and crispy and delightful. And so shake them, shake them, shake them. We are actually looking to buy a new air fryer because this one does have Teflon in the basket. And I'm not sure if you've heard, but when that gets overheated or scratched, it can make its way into your food and into your bloodstream. That's a forever chemical that's in Teflon. And if you can avoid it, then do. So we're looking for a new one. You might see that coming up in other videos. Here, we're just, like I said, making sure to really, really stir that bacon and push it down to make sure that it gets evenly cooked. And you're going to cook this bacon to your preference. With a little bit of a setup trigger for you and not have this video and not let you hear some bacon sizzle. So again, just pushing it down, flipping it over until it gets to your preference. Some of you like it all the way cooked till it's hard. This is the way that we like ours. Still a little chew to it, but very crunchy and yeah, definitely got some nice crisp to it. So that's how we like ours. And again, I used a silicone spoon here. You can use whatever you like to cook your bacon. I also love to use tongs and I love to use chopsticks to cook my bacon. And just take a look at this, these crunchy, crunchy fries and this bacon that I have put on a paper bag from groceries earlier in the week on our griddle on the stove. We don't really use that griddle for much besides tortillas, which we will talk about later. But there's the finished product. If you guys see any dirt, don't come for me. I'm a working mom with 3 kids, love to cook, love to take care of my family. Do not have a spotless kitchen, so don't kill me for it. This is the last batch of fries going in. So we poured it all on top. Everyone's going to make their own plate. And so this is me making my plate. You can make yours, with however many fries you want, whatever the amount of bacon you want. Just make it so that you'll enjoy it. And this is the way that I enjoy mine. So I'm adding my fries here, nice and crunchy. And then I'm going to add about 3 pieces of bacon to the side, and I'm going to crumble that on top. So how do you guys like your bacon? We like our fries, crispy on the outside, mashed potato on the inside, and crispy bacon with a bit of a crunch. A bit of a chew. Sorry about that. And these are the leftovers we had from tacos during the week, some Daisy sour cream, some Colby Jack shredded cheese, and then we also had some leftover shredded Parmesan cheese. All of this is going to add layers of flavor. Whatever cheese you have, go ahead and add it to it. So I'm going to crumble the bacon on top here. Now, just doing it with my hands. You can chop it up if you want to be a little more neat. I was just making this plate for myself again. So I just crumbled it by hand. And I'm not sure why I put the bacon on top first instead of the cheese. Next time I would probably put the cheese on and then the bacon to make sure that it stays crispy. But it was still crispy, so no big deal here. You can put it on bacon, cheese, bacon. Doesn't really matter. And then we're going to go ahead and add our Colby Jack cheese again to your liking. This might not be enough for some of you, might be too much for others. So I added that, threw it in the microwave for 30 seconds just to get the cheese a little melted. And then I forgot to film putting the Parmesan on top, but I did put a little bit of Parmesan on top as well. All of these foods had plenty of salt, probably too much salt, but hey, once in a while thing, it's not going to kill you. So here are the bacon cheddar parm fries, and here we're adding a little bit of that daisy sour cream left over from tacos earlier in the week. Again, to your liking. All of this is, to your liking for the way, whatever way you're gonna enjoy it. And this is what I added to mine. Again, it had plenty of salt, so the only thing I ended up adding was black pepper to the top, and that was what it ended up looking like before I enjoyed it. It was really, really good. And thanks for joining me. And I hope that you are able to recreate this really quick and delicious meal that we put together in a short amount of time with a little bit of effort and did not have to buy anything for the family on Sunday. Everyone loved it, and I hope you enjoy it too.